Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and we are starting with week 1 of 75 hard. I have become such a great chef. I am planning to start my 75 hard soon and I feel I can do it now because I've learned to spend time in the kitchen and like make things that will like easy snack recipes and stuff like that that will keep me full for longer and also like satisfy my cravings without having the need to like go for junk food. This is one of that. I made Greek yogurt, mango and chia seeds and I'm just having it as a bowl right now. And it is so good. In my last video or maybe before that, you all saw how I made the mango with like, coconut malai, and that again is so like it is a very yum recipe and it is also very filling. That keeps me full for so long. This is yum. This is yum. But I will soon give you guys an update about my 75 hard that I'm planning to start. Because like अगर मैं 2-3 दिन में चालू करती हूँ अभी, then the 75 day ends on my birthday, which is like 4th of September. I think this would be like a great gift to myself to become a very like healthy version of myself, and especially like I can give that for my birthday. Like that would be like a good milestone as well to like to reach for. This sticky thing in the back 100 rupees का आता है, 95 rupees for me, but वो मेरे ये 1,45,000 वाले फ़ोन को कैसे संभालेगा और मैं भी उसको इतना ट्रस्ट क्यों करती हूँ, आई डोंट नो. Guys, I have been sent a mango dessert. It would be just rude to not eat it because even mangoes know how much I love mangoes. Look at this. I love anything and everything mangoes. I'm so sad. The season is officially getting over. But this is so good. Yum. We are back at this toy shop where we keep coming. आई थिंक अब तक तो व्लॉग में सबको पता चल ही है कितनी बार हम आते हैं यहाँ पे. बहुत टाइम पास करना आता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही. नेक्स्ट टू थर्ड वेव एंड वी वर एट थर्ड वेव वर्किंग. So many toys around me. And obviously I have a kid with me, so Pokemon cards खरीदना है पूरा टाइम. Last time भी उसने फिर जिद करके चैलेंज करके he made sure that Pokemon cards ले. Who told you can buy? Hello? Mom. Where is your mom? Let me call her. I'm sure she did not agree to this.
I think I'm gonna pass.
Good. I know why. They're not OG.
It's not about OG.
Then? No way.
मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है भाई.
बर्थडे मंथ चल रहा है. आ रहा है क्या?
बर्थडे मंथ में ना शॉपिंग बहुत होता है.
तुझे पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए था? मुझे ना वो स्टैम्प मेकर चाहिए था. सी चार्म्स. आई थिंक पूरा वाज राइट. शू चार्म्स डन. हमने कुछ शॉपिंग नहीं किया. ये वी सेव्ड अप आवर मनी. आई एम ईटिंग द सेम स्नैक एवरी इवनिंग. वन टोस्ट विद सम चीज़ एंड पनीर एंड ऊपर मैंने सिर्फ वो किया का जो गार्लिक मसाला है वो डाला है. दैट्स ऑल. So that I get my protein. I want to get as much protein I can in the day. So I'm finding recipes and doing things that are also staple. Not too much jhanjat for me, and I obviously should like the taste of it. So in the morning I had my vanilla scoop protein shake from Cosmic Wellness जो मैंने recently नया लिया है, and honestly that is so good because it's vanilla. I can have it with my coffee, which I tried by the way, and I have so many more recipes like to try it with my mango, probably overnight oats and like maybe something or the other because it's vanilla. It can literally go with anything and everything. So far everything's going good. I am really excited to start my 75 day hard and I start this tomorrow onwards, so I'm so excited. It is going to be one hell of an experience. I'm just prepping for it all these while and then I think I'm ready. Tomorrow is the day. It's the 18th. So week 1 of 75 hard. I don't have a version yet. I have to call it my version because I'm not following the normal rules जो 75 hard के होते हैं. Obviously I am like tweaking them as per what I would need and what I need to do, but obviously keeping the concept intact. Anyway, right now the first thing that I'm gonna do is go to the gym. It's a Thursday today. Day is a fat loss day. So basically in today's plan I have to do either 5k steps in the morning and 5k steps in the evening, or I could do like a 60-minute brisk walk on treadmill or whatever in one shot. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the gym and do that. And मैंने आज नया sunscreen लगाया, which is why I may look like a little washed off वैसे पूरा weirdly, like I have like a white cast on my face, which I'm not happy about, but I wanted to try the new sunscreen. It's getting super hot and like really sunny out there. I wanted to try the SPF 50 plus whatever, because I am literally getting tan every day right now in spite of putting sunscreen. So just trying something new. I don't know, and by the end of the video you guys will know how this week went, what were the struggles for me, what were the easier stuff for me and everything. Basically मैं बाद में सब details बता दी, but फिलहाल मुझे बस gym जाना है because मुझे बहुत late हो रहा है. I did like 45 minutes walk, like 45 minutes से थोड़ा ज़्यादा but 60 से थोड़ा कम, and apart from that like 10 minutes का warm up and cycle and थोड़ा बहुत stretching में like 10 minutes more. So overall I think I finished like a 60-minute workout, but मेरे steps फिर भी मैं मेरे watch में देख रही हूँ, so it's just 6,000 steps, and now suddenly I feel oh my god, like 10,000 steps every day का is going to be so difficult for me because I still have to do 4k steps and I don't know how I'm going to do that at home. Like if I don't have to go anywhere, then it's nearly impossible to do that. Guys, it's my day one. In the morning I remember 45 minutes walk kiya tha, and now I did another 45 minutes, 14,000. Oh my god, I am so happy and tired and sweaty. Honestly, what helped today was I had like a few calls, तो वो सब में मेरा 45 minutes walk हो गया, निकल गया. So happy about that. Go home and take a shower and sleep. Day 2, and this is my lunch. There's soya sticks and then there's salad, which is where I'll probably get my protein and good stuff from the food. I'll obviously not be eating the apple crumble pie. Maybe a bit of pasta because I'm hungry. Just watched the first episode of House of the Dragon season 3 and it's insane. God, you all need to go watch it. But the lighting is better, but I kind of saw it coming. Just the fact that when they took our phones and we could not record anything, I kind of knew that whatever I was expecting happened in the first episode itself. I am sad, but like I'm raged up. The next few weeks are gonna be insane, waking up every Monday morning at 7 just to watch the episode. I was an emotional wreck today, which is why I could not wake up early and go for my workout. And then I planned to work out in the evening, but things happened, so I did not, and I could not. Like my legs were really like paining, like my foot is paining a lot because I wore heels yesterday and I went to an event yesterday. You all saw that. And then I also went to the Amazon office yesterday, so it was really like a long day with commute and the heat and everything, and it is still paining right now, but I decided that I'll still just like get my steps in. So I've been walking for like past 51 minutes, so that's good. I have tried to eat clean throughout the day, had my protein shake, again part of my 75 hard, which is great. Yeah, that's the update for day 3. I'm gonna go home, take a shower and sleep, and probably like massage my legs because I can still feel the pain, and we'll see how tomorrow goes because tomorrow is a Sunday, and even though it's a Sunday, I do plan to go for a workout in the morning and then maybe grab some coffee. Guys, it is so weird. It is raining in that part, as you all can see, but it's not like raining here. Guys, it feels like I've done a proper leg workout today after long because I am struggling to get down the stairs.
Only struggling to get fewer calories.
I think day 4. and it's a Sunday morning, by the way. Now we will treat ourselves to some McDonald's ka iced coffee. Got ready for co today. It's a Sunday. It's day 4. I have had good lunch, good workout in the morning, and this is my fit for the day. Look at my eye makeup. I love it. I'm gonna show you my entire fit as well. Fit. Pants, top. It's like a co-ord set, and no jewelry. Just a very high voluminous hair for the day. I'm gonna let my eye do the talking today. But yeah, what do you guys think? Entering court looks nice. Master. Just made protein shake like an hour ago and had it. I had it with half a banana and it tasted so good. It was so yum. I think I finally found the recipe that works very well for me. Like I did not make faces while having protein, so that has been good. Anyway, I am making something with tofu for dinner. I ordered tofu from Blinkit, and I also ordered spring onion, but look how they arrived. They arrived with the mud, soil, roots, and everything, and it is such a disgusting feeling. Like I have to clean it all right now. I mean, I have come back from the gym. I'm making my own meals. The reason I kind of like get it all from online is because I want clean vegetables. I don't have to like put in a lot of effort, but it is extremely annoying that I have to clean this all now and then do the work from scratch. Yeah. Walking 64 minutes done. That's almost 3.93 kilometers, which is close to 4. I'll finish the 4K and then go home. My legs are really paining now. Let's go home now. I'm tired. Okay, I am tired and hands free. I have to do my stretch. सब अटक चुका है इतना. Today did 10K steps, finished that, and I'm so proud. I can't believe I am doing this, but when it comes to like taking care of my body, I think I do good at that. Fit check for the gym. It's rain today, so my shorts are out, and it's my day 6 of 75 hard week 1. Also, I'm so excited to drive in the rain. I mean, there's no rainfall anymore, but it has rained this morning and very nicely. So just to like go out on a drive in this weather would be nice. Workout done, and today I won't be tempted to go to McDonald's for the coffee. I'm straight up going home. Yeah, I feel like I don't hit the record button. In the previous vlog, मैंने सागर का हम लोग ने मजाक उड़ाया था for not clicking the record button and talking, but मेरा भी वैसा ही है. I was saying that I finished my workout quickly today because there was not enough crowd, so I didn't have to like share the machines with anybody, and also like I am kind of now acquainted with the muscles, with the form, with the exercise and everything. So yeah, got done early, which is good. I can go home now. What's happening to my voice? Beach mein. I can go home now and have a quick lunch and then go to the dentist. Not really excited about going to the dentist, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know why the video stopped recording, but I made something with tofu. Literally like my own recipe. I just like tossed in a few sauces, a few stuff, and made this. I had the gochujang paste, I had the hot honey from Nagin, which is like too hot by the way. Some soy sauce and sesame seeds, and that's it. I got like a good 20-25 gram protein for my dinner today. Let's go. I am walking after my dinner. I'm walking in the basement because it's raining outside, which is good. I'm done with like 21 minutes. I just feel tired today. Not a great day. My period is also due, so maybe all the hormones are acting up and I don't feel that great. You gotta do what you gotta do, which is you gotta walk. I'm at least gonna do like 30 to 40 minutes. 40 is kind of like my target, so let's see. Day 7 of week 1. Let's go. कल का जो बैटर बचा था ओट्स डोसा का, this time I made one here. Again, I'm eating 3 of it and some avo on the side for lunch today. So by the time दूसरा बन रहा है मैं फटाफट खा रही हूँ because I'm really hungry. I put some spring onion. Guys, this was so cute right now. Kanji got a surprise cake for Sagar because on 29 Sagar is not gonna be here, so she won't be able to meet him. So she got it today, which is what, today is 24th. So 5 days पहले birthday challenge. Birthday week. Yeah, we celebrate it as a month. Guys, I just came back home after that shoot and everything, and trust me, मैंने कैसे control किया है. मेरे को इतनी भूख लग रही थी and everything was tempting around, but I did not. I immediately came home, prep like I'm making a khichdi type of a thing. So उसका मैंने prep कर दिया, and now that it's soaking, I made myself a banana protein shake. I'm gonna have that so that I don't feel hungry for like a little while, and then I can prep for dinner and have my ghar ka dinner rather than like maybe ordering or eating it outside since I was outside. That is some self control, and this is where day 7 ends. I am honestly very proud of myself because my 75 hard was tweaked in a way that can suit like my lifestyle. But it was very close to what the challenge is. So basically, my challenge of 75 day hard is do 6 workouts a week, 8 to 10,000 steps every day, keeping a bracket because कभी कभी ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, so I do not want to like punish myself for that or like feel regretful about it. That, read 10 pages of a book, consume at least 25 grams of protein because otherwise तो मैं protein consume ही नहीं करती थी, and that is the hardest part of this challenge honestly for me, to get enough protein. This is the start to a change in my lifestyle, not something like I didn't want to do like 100 grams of protein a day because I know that's not sustainable, and I know कि to start with such hard challenge it's gonna be difficult. And mind you not, 7 days a week this week I have consumed 25 grams of protein every day. I have actually consumed more. What else, like to eat clean and cut off like a lot of dessert. So ये basically 4 rules बहुत strong थे for me, and I'm glad I was able to do them. So for this week's rating, I would give myself a solid 8 out of 10. I'm excited to see week 2, but anyway, this was the end of the vlog. If you guys are enjoying this series, do let me know in the comments below if you are inspired by this. Please मुझे comments में सब detail में बताओ क्या अच्छा लग रहा है क्या नहीं, and if you are starting your own 75 day hard as well, let's do it together. It's a great time. I mean, I'm doing it, you are doing it, so we'll be like accountable in a way, so that would be great. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel. I hope by the time this video uploads, I have reached 100k because I'm just like maybe 300 subscribers away from 100k. So I don't know if it's gonna happen tonight or tomorrow, but pretty much in a day or two. And I'm just so sure that by the time this video goes, it is gonna be 100k for me. So yes, let's go.